All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to remove these guys here. There's going to be one right here, and that's a little blurry. There's going to be one on that four corner. We're going to stop and we're going to do that really quickly. After you got the screws removed from the back, what we're going to do is we're just kind of set it to the side, and then you're going to need a putty knife, and you're going to take your putty knife and you're going to push forward. I've already kind of done this already. There's a little clip underneath there, and when you do that, you'll feel the putty knife go a little bit further. What it's doing, it's getting underneath that clip. We're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. It's right there. Yahtzee. Next thing you want to do is you want to remove this screw right here, this little fastener, and you're also going to do the same over there. Okay, there's going to be a small little plastic piece right here. I'm just going to take some pliers. You're just going to push this little retaining clip back right there. It's going to free up a little bit. And here's the problem right here. One of these little rubber band pieces is broken. So we're going to replace these guys. They're really simple. There's just going to be one little piece you need to remove here. And there's going to be one of them right up underneath right here that you're going to remove. We're going to do that for each one of those. Okay, we're going to take this first one off here. Okay, we've got the little screw removed, and you can see this one's broke. Now we're going to go up underneath here and we're going to take the one on the bottom off. Okay, so this is the piece that's going to go on the bottom, and that's going to connect right here. So up underneath, this little clip is just going to fit right here on this little slot. So we're just going to fit this guy like that. All right, with the one on the bottom done, we're just going to take this guy here, put it back, tighten it down. We're going to repeat this process. The one over here, there's one in the back, and there's another one on the back left side. I actually found out why it's making all this noise, and if you look right down in there, you're going to see that there is a little plastic piece that needs to go on the side of the tub right here. So as you can see how it's disconnected, and I'm just going to set the camera down and connect that up, and I think that's going to solve our problem.